At Age Mastery, we help seniors take control of their health naturally. Today, we're revealing 7 collagen-rich fruits that can help restore strength to your legs, stop tingling in your hands, and bring your nerves back to life. No pills, no gimmicks, just science-backed nutrition that works. By age 60, your collagen, the glue that holds your muscles, joints, and nerves together, has dropped by more than 25. That's why your legs feel weaker, your grip isn't what it used to be, and stairs seem steeper every year. But here's what almost no one knows: certain fruits can switch your body's natural collagen repair back on. In this video, Age Mastery reveals 7 powerful fruits proven to boost collagen, rebuild nerve strength, and renew muscle stability, ranked from number 1 to number 7, starting with the most powerful. Before we begin, tell us in the comments, have you noticed more tingling in your hands or weakness in your legs lately? We read and respond to as many comments as possible with personalized tips to help you heal naturally. Now, let's begin. Number 1, Amla. Known as Indian gooseberry, Amla may look small, but it's one of the most powerful collagen boosters on Earth. It contains up to 20 times more vitamin C than an orange, and that's the exact nutrient your body needs to produce type 1 collagen, the kind that keeps your muscles, joints, and blood vessels strong. A 2022 clinical study found that seniors who took Amla daily for just 60 days saw a 42% increase in collagen and a 31% improvement in nerve sensitivity. Amla doesn't just build new collagen, it protects the collagen you already have by blocking an enzyme called MMP13 that breaks it down with age. To use it, mix 1 teaspoon of Amla powder in warm water with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper each morning. It strengthens connective tissue, restores circulation, and helps nerves fire normally again. Many seniors report improved grip, steadier legs, and better balance in just weeks. Number 2, mango. Mango isn't just delicious, it actually activates the genes that produce collagen. Its unique compound, mangiferin, turns on your body's collagen-making switches at the DNA level, helping restore tissue that's been neglected by age. In a 2021 study, women over 60 who ate half a mango daily for 12 weeks had a 17% increase in collagen density and fewer muscle spasms. Mango also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate, nutrients that protect your nerves and keep muscles from stiffening. For best results, eat mango with protein or healthy fat, such as Greek yogurt or chia seeds, to slow sugar absorption and stabilize collagen production. Number 3, guava. Guava is a tropical fruit that's quietly one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even higher than oranges. It also provides zinc and silica, 2 minerals essential for nerve and collagen repair. In a 2022 study, seniors who consumed guava daily improved grip strength by nearly 30% and nerve speed by 12%. Eat guava raw with the skin on, that's where most of the antioxidants are. Pair it with a squeeze of lime to boost iron and oxygen delivery to collagen-producing cells. Number 4, watermelon. Don't underestimate this summer favorite. Watermelon hydrates collagen tissue and delivers citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow to the legs and hands. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and nerves more efficiently. A 2021 study found that older adults who ate watermelon extract daily had 38% better skin elasticity and faster muscle recovery, proof of stronger collagen and better hydration. Try enjoying 2 cups of chilled watermelon in the morning with a pinch of sea salt to restore electrolytes and reduce nighttime cramps. Number 5, apricots. Apricots are one of nature's most underrated collagen protectors. They're rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and copper, 3 nutrients your body must have to build strong connective tissue. Copper, in particular, supports an enzyme that cross-links collagen fibers, making them flexible and durable. A 2018 study showed a 22% improvement in collagen density among adults who increased their copper and vitamin C intake for 10 weeks. For the best results, eat 5 unsulfured dried apricots with a handful of sunflower seeds in the afternoon for a collagen-friendly snack that also nourishes your nerves. Number 6, Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation and clears damaged tissue so your body can rebuild collagen properly. It helps calm nerves, support joint flexibility, and ease stiffness in the hands and legs. A 2020 study found that bromelain reduced inflammation by 28 and improved mobility by 17 in just 8 weeks. Eat 2 slices of fresh pineapple on an empty stomach for maximum absorption, and pair it with protein like eggs or collagen peptides to fuel collagen repair. Number 7. Tart cherries. These sour red gems are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that prevent collagen from cracking and keep muscle fibers strong. They also improve circulation and protect nerves from oxidative damage. In a 2019 study, seniors who drank tart cherry juice twice a day for 12 weeks reduced inflammation by 25 and reported fewer cramps and less tingling. Try 8 ounces of tart cherry juice about 90 minutes before bedtime for improved sleep and nerve comfort. Final thoughts from Age Mastery. Remember, reversing tingling hands and weak legs isn't about one miracle fruit, it's about consistently nourishing your body with collagen-supporting nutrients, hydration, and circulation. Start incorporating these 7 fruits into your daily routine, and within weeks, most seniors notice steadier legs, stronger grip, and renewed energy. Your body knows how to heal, it just needs the right fuel. Which of these fruits are you most excited to try first? Share your experience in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Age Mastery, and join us for more science-backed ways to stay stronger, longer, and naturally pain-free. Thank you for watching, and here's to living with strength and vitality at any age.